Nakita niyo yan? That's a pimple. Okay. One, two, three. Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with another vlog. For today's video, for today's agenda, a lot of you guys has been asking me kung paano ko ginagawa yung mga self-portraits ko. And today, I'm going to teach you how I do my self-portraits or how I do my hashtag advanced selfies. So just a disclaimer, this video was inspired by Sorel Amor and her advanced selfies. I was inspired to do my own version, and I'm gonna give you guys my tips since I've been doing this for almost 2 years now. For my first tip is you need to look around the location. So my location was in our living room. So montage. What I do is I look for pegs on Instagram or Google, Pinterest, and I look for photographs that matches the interior of the living room to that photo. If it has a chair, and I'll try to redo that photo with my own version. So gets back, explore the place and look for inspiration before you do a photo shoot. And of course, you should always have your phone with you because you can use your phone's camera and check if that angle is good or that place, the lighting is good. So, alam mo kung anong gagawin mo. So, my second tip is anong susutin mo. What I wore is just a sweatshirt and this pants na nakita ko sa cabinet. Minatch ko rin siya sa theme na gusto kong ma-achieve, and then of course the interior, minatch ko rin yung color niya. Make your photo minimalistic as much as possible. I don't want a lot of colors are clashing, so basically I stick to 3 to 4 colors. Look for an outfit that matches the interior or that would tell a story while you're taking photos. Tip number 3 is the equipment that you're using. So for my equipment na ginagamit ko ngayon is I have this Canon EOS 70D which has a Wi-Fi function. You can search your camera in Google kung meron siyang Wi-Fi function, and if it has, you can download the app on your phone. So in this case, the application na ginagamit ko for my camera is a Canon Camera Connect, which serves as a remote sa camera ko. So basically, sineset up ko lang siya. I use the autofocus on my lens, and what I do is before I click the button, the shutter button, is I check my hands kung saan ko siya ilalagay. Like here ba? Here. Just try some other poses na sa tingin mo gagana. And then you can change also your angle para mapakita yung jawline and stuff like that. So just make it like, you know, artsy. If you think that pose is okay na, just click your phone. Then you just wait for 2 seconds kasi yun yung nakaset na timer mo. Just remember kung saan mo nilagay yung kamay mo kanina. And then 1, 2, and then pose. I have it, guys. So that is what I do when I am, you know, using my phone as my remote for my camera. So yeah. Actually, the recommended lens na ginagamit talaga dapat dito is 50mm, but the lens that I'm using is 40mm. So medyo mahirap siya for me kasi it's really, really close to my face. I cannot capture the whole area. For my fourth tip is just be confident and patient when you're taking your self-portraits. Of course, wala ka namang kasama sa bahay. Like right now, wala akong kasama sa bahay. So, ang lakas ng loob ko mag-shoot, mag-isa. And explore more poses. Keep on trying new poses and angles hanggang makuha mo na yung gusto mo ng angle. Gusto mong photo. Be confident and be patient when you're taking your self-portraits because, you know, patience is a virtue. And another tip from me guys to you is to be inventive and creative. When I am taking my photos, I use a tripod. Pag mayroon akong high angle tapos medyo tilted upside down photo. And if you don't have a tripod, you can be creative, you can be inventive. Now you can use books. You can use stacked books to serve as your tripod. Be creative, guys. Just use anything that can serve as a tapuhan sa camera nyo. You can be creative as much as you want, and of course you can use props like I do. Like what I did sa photos ko, I used hats, I used sunglasses, I used yung parang yung wheat na props to add some texture or feels sa photo ko na gagawin. I think that's my last tip. Because why am I teaching this to you guys? There will be a day na super atat ka na magkaroon ng photo shoot or you want because you're feeling good about yourself and you want to take a picture of yourself or want to capture that moment and there will be no one to take pictures for you. So, do what you gotta do. Advanced selfie. Independent tayo dito. So, hashtag independent living, hashtag independent photo shoot. Anyways, so that will be it. I hope you guys learn another tip from me and comment down below if you want me to do more contents like this or if you want me to talk about other stuff related to photography or fashion, modeling, posing and stuff like that because I too want to explore more guys. And by the way guys, thank you for the 200 subscribers and for the support that you have given me throughout the whole week guys. Kasi the whole week lang. As in like, yeah. Thank you for watching this video. This has been me, Jo, signing off.